Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro 29001.6 CDTI, 115, L1H1 MOTED simple fix. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 171132. MOT, 20 September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Timing chain is very slightly stretched. Will need replacing shortly, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.